Welcome to our Motherboard Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the MSI B550-A PRO and the Asus Prime X670E-PRO. These two motherboards represent different generations and price points, making them ideal candidates for our analysis. The MSI B550-A PRO is a budget-friendly option for Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series CPUs, while the Asus Prime X670E-PRO is a high-end motherboard designed for the latest Ryzen 7000 series. Let's explore their features and find out which one is right for you. The MSI B550-A PRO features the AM4 socket, compatible with Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series processors, making it a solid choice for budget builds. In contrast, the Asus Prime X670E-PRO utilizes the AM5 socket, supporting the latest Ryzen 7000 series CPUs. This difference in socket compatibility highlights the generational gap between these two motherboards, with the Asus board designed for future-proofing and cutting-edge performance. When it comes to memory support, the MSI B550-A PRO is limited to DDR4 RAM, which is still a reliable choice for many users. However, the Asus Prime X670E-PRO takes a leap forward by supporting the latest DDR5 memory, allowing for higher speeds and better performance in demanding applications. This advancement makes the Asus board more suitable for high-performance builds that require cutting-edge technology. Price is always a crucial factor in any build. The MSI B550-A PRO is priced at a very competitive $145, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious builders looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Asus Prime X670E-PRO comes with a hefty price tag of $479, reflecting its premium features and future-proofing capabilities. This significant price difference will influence your decision based on your specific needs and budget. In conclusion, the choice between the MSI B550-A PRO and the Asus Prime X670E-PRO ultimately depends on your needs and budget. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable motherboard for current generation Ryzen CPUs, the MSI B550-A PRO is an excellent option. However, if you want to invest in a future-proof motherboard with the latest technology, the Asus Prime X670E-PRO is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.